The 2S19M1 Msta-S self-propelled howitzer can fire all types of projectiles. The 2S19M1 Msta-S is a modernized version of the 152mm Msta-S self-propelled gun, equipped with a programmable loading system. The maximum firing range is 29 km. Ammunition, 50 bullets. Maximum speed, 60 km/h. Autonomy, more than 600 km. The improved self-propelled gun can fire all types of projectiles, including the Krasnopol guided ammunition. The 2K25 Krasnopol is a 150-155mm gun launched, fin-stabilized, base bleed assisted, semi-automatic laser-guided artillery weapon system. Automatically home at a point illuminated by a laser designator, usually operated by drones or ground-based artillery observers. The Krasnopol projectiles are fired primarily from Soviet self-propelled howitzers such as the 2S19M1 and 2S19M1 Msta-S and are intended to engage small ground targets such as tanks, other direct-fire weapons, strong points, or other significant point targets visible to observers. It can be used against stationary and moving targets.